you're wanting new harvest technology without getting a new combine, we now offer that with our Precision Upgrade Kits. Through our Precision Upgrade Kit portfolio, we can add combine Cross Auger Shutoffs, which allow you to empty your unloading auger while still having grain in the tank, reducing wear and tear on your unloading components. We have the adjustable spout, which will allow precise and accurate grain placement as you're unloading, as well as the auto unload with the stereo camera, giving you grain cart automation capabilities. A portion of our Precision Upgrade Kit for combines is our Cross Auger Shutoff upgrade. What Cross Auger Shutoff upgrades give you the ability is to shut off your cross augers and allow your unloading auger to continue unloading. In doing so, we're adding clutches to our Cross Auger Shutoffs that work with the unloading auger button already on your hydrostat handle. When pressed at in an unloading state, it will continue to allow our unloading auger to run for approximately 3 seconds and to continue to unload. So the advantage is to allowing your unloading auger to empty with grain still in the tank is decreased wear and tear from that startup torque, starting the unloading auger with a full amount of grain still in there. It also allows less dribble and less waste in the field from having an empty unloading auger, and then as well as decreasing the wear and tear of carrying the extra weight of a full unloading auger through the field. We're looking at about a 2-day install for a Cross Auger Shutoff, adding the clutches as well as the software to your existing machine. Adding to the combine upgrade portfolio is the adjustable spout option. What the adjustable spout allows you to do is to accurately and precisely adjust where that grain is flowing once it leaves the unloading auger. So whether you're filling a truck, grain cart, whatever it may be of various sizes, how far apart you are, having that extra ability to move that grain and manipulate your drop point of that grain is the advantage this adjustable spout brings. So we're looking about a 2-day installation if we are compounding it at the same time as our Cross Auger Shutoffs. You can order them independently if you would desire one more or the other. You're looking about a day installation for just the adjustable spout, but utilizing the electric actuator that's controlled from the cab, you're able to adjust that as you go. So in a field position, whenever it's unfolded completely and it is not unloading, it is tipped out to a flatter angle to help reduce that dribble and that grain loss if you do have any grain that's remaining in that unloading auger. In the road transportation mode, we are tipped down and pushed back out of the way. So that way you have less of a chance to catch it and damage it on anything. Another Precision Upgrade Kit option for our 2020 and newer S700 series combines is our auto unload. So what our auto unload is using a stereo camera that's installed at the end of our unloading auger. So you guys are familiar with Machine Sync, you utilize Machine Sync now. This is the next step to automated unloading. So with Machine Sync, you have to manually nudge the grain cart forward, backward as you are watching the grain yourself to see how full it's getting. So what auto unload is using is our stereo camera mounted, and it is able to see the depth of the grain that is going into the grain cart. So as it's filling and we have the depth changing throughout the combine, it is going to automatically nudge the grain cart forward, backward. So it is one less thing to take off the plate of the combine operator and having the ability for the machine to automatically see how much grain is going in that grain cart and then tell the tractor to move forward backward without the combine operator having to nudge it forward backward. If you're interested in a Precision Upgrade Kit, call your local Hutson salesman or your local Precision Upgrade specialist.